Parents often ask, when should I bring my child for their first orthodontic visit? The answer may be earlier than you think. Contrary to popular belief, you shouldn't wait until all your child's baby teeth fall out. The best time for a first visit to an orthodontist is when your child has a mix of baby teeth and permanent teeth, or what we call mixed dentition. This is typically around age 7. At this stage, we can monitor possible growth issues, check for cross bites, crowding, and missing extra or impacted teeth. If a problem exists or is developing, your orthodontist can recommend a treatment, when it should begin, and how long it should take. If you have any concerns over your younger child's teeth or bite, you don't have to wait for a referral. Take your child to an orthodontist right away, regardless of age.
Call now to reserve your free consultation at any of our 3 locations. Noorani Orthodontics. Transforming smiles. Changing lives.